guys, it's Trisha Ha, or Holla Holla Girl, and this is our nature vid. Oh, look at Christina again. Christina, shut up. Yeah, we're like outside Judy's house, Judy Ha house. Thumbs if you know her. Her custom's right here. Watch from our Holla Holla Girl videos. Woo, woo. And here comes Judy. This is our little secret place. I hate the lawnmower.
Hey people! This is my secret place, but my dad put everything in here, but who cares? So we still will have fun here. And then, sorry, and if whoever come in, have to have a password.
The password is Monster High. Oh shit. Oh wait, are we supposed to have
Password?
wait,
Brittany? No.
wait, should I bring the my Monster High doll? Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at Christina. She's like the cutest baby ever. Oh, smile, Christina. Christina, look at me. Look at me, Christina. Christina. Whoa. Yeah, Cupid. Chillin'. Naked. Oh.